How to add the ensemble tool in Logic Pro X for amazing destructive variations of sound. Again, can be applied to anything, vocals, audio, or MIDI. And this is actually a good way to expand. How I was saying before, there's other ways to expand and stereo image and stuff. I already have it here, but we will reload it, go to modulation and ensemble. So now let me turn it off and I'll start playing it right about the 4 bar. So as I'm going through these presets here, you see what's going on, and you see what's going on with the visual.
I said, this is your frequency therapy. Give to you lots of prosperity and a positive vibe, polarity. And I'm making fans out of my enemies, and I see the universe with clarity. I can't believe I fell for these parodies. Now my fear opponent even scaring me. I got love over will, sincerity.
Also kind of easy to overdo, but when it's a full track and it's a little busy, you can just take the output mix a little bit out so that it's subtle, and it does add great depth to your whole song, really. It just fills up the spectrum a little bit more if it's a bit dry or naked, or if you just like that full sound. Let me enable the piano back in and hear what we got.
I said, this is your frequency therapy. Give to you lots of prosperity and a positive vibe, polarity. And I'm making fans out of my enemies, and I see the universe with clarity. I can't believe I fell for these parodies. Now my fear opponent even scaring me. I got love over will, sincerity.
Yeah, too much stereo spread, but you get it. Beautiful tool. Okay, that is how you use the ensemble tool effectively for amazing destructive variations in Logic Pro X.